You ever feel like money is one big inside joke and you're not in on it? Like, everyone else somehow knows what a 401k is. They're talking about index funds at brunch. Meanwhile, you're just trying to make your paycheck last till Friday. If you've ever felt behind on money stuff, like you should know more, but don't even know where to start, this one's for you. Today, we're talking about financial literacy. What it actually means, why it matters, and how to learn it without feeling overwhelmed. No lectures, no judgment. Just real talk. Let's break it down. Part 1. Wait. What is financial literacy? Let's clear this up right now. Financial literacy is not about being rich. It's not about buying stocks in your sleep or reading The Economist for fun. It just means this. You understand how money works in your everyday life. And you make smart decisions with it. It's knowing how to make a budget that actually works, how credit cards and debt really operate, how to save for the things you care about, how to avoid getting ripped off, and how to build a solid, stress-free financial future. In short, it's being the boss of your money, instead of letting your money boss you around. Part 2. Why most people never learn it okay. So if it's that important, why don't we all just learn it? Here's the kicker. Nobody teaches us this stuff, not in school, not at home, and definitely not in those TikToks that tell you to just invest in real estate. So what happens? We guess. We copy what our parents did, whether it worked or not. We wing it. We avoid our bank apps like they're haunted, and we tell ourselves we'll figure it out later. Spoiler, later never comes. The longer you wait to learn, the more expensive the mistakes become. So here's your permission slip. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to get started. Part 3. The 5 pillars of financial literacy. You don't need to become a financial wizard overnight, but there are 5 main areas you do want to understand. Let's walk through them. Real quick, real simple. 1. Budgeting. This is step 1. Always. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving your money a job. Every dollar gets a mission. If your paycheck keeps disappearing, this is your first fix. Start simple. Track your income. Write down your spending. Divide it into categories: needs, wants, and goals. Then set limits and stick to them. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or even Google Sheets can help. 2. Saving. Think of saving like financial self-care. You're not just setting money aside, you're buying your future peace of mind. You want 3 levels: short-term, for fun stuff and minor surprises; emergency fund, for when life hits the fan; long-term, for big goals, home, travel, retirement. Even $10 a week adds up. The key is to start. 3. Credit and debt. Your credit score affects everything: loans, apartments, even job offers. Learn how credit cards work. Learn how interest builds up. Learn how to borrow smart and avoid debt traps. Tip: always pay your full balance on time. Every month. 4. Investing. This one sounds scary, but it's not. Investing just means you put your money to work so it grows over time. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to time the market. You just need to be consistent. Start learning about index funds, IRAs, and compound interest. More on this in a bit. 5. Financial protection. This is the adulting layer: insurance, wills, identity protection. It's the stuff that protects your money from life's curveballs. It's not fun, but it's necessary. Part 4. How to start learning without the overwhelm. Okay, you're ready to learn. But where do you start? Step 1. Start with one topic. Don't try to learn everything overnight. Pick one area to focus on each week or month. Week 1. Learn how to build a budget. Week 2. Understand credit scores. Week 3. Open a savings account. Week 4. Read about investing. Keep it bite-sized, one thing at a time. Step 2. Learn from real sources. Forget TikTok bros yelling at you to buy real estate. Here are actually helpful resources. Books. I Will Teach You to Be Rich, Ramit Sethi. The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel. The Simple Path to Wealth, J.L. Collins. Podcasts, The Ramsey Show, Afford Anything. Her First 100K, Great for Beginners. YouTube channels, At the Financial Diet at Graham Stephan. Minority Mindset, R. Mark Tilbury. Free courses, Khan Academy, Personal Finance Section, smartaboutmoney.org. Next Gen, Personal Finance. You don't need a fancy degree, just a notebook and curiosity. Step 3. Learn by doing. Read a budgeting article, build your budget right then. Watched a video on savings, open the account now. Heard about index funds. Google how to open a Roth IRA tonight. Learning by doing beats passive reading every time. Step 4. Set a weekly money hour. Every Sunday, or whatever day works for you, set a 1-hour date with your money. Use that time to check your bank account, track your spending, review your goals, learn one new thing, no distractions, just you and your future wealth. Part 5. Mistakes to watch out for. Before we wrap, let's talk about common traps that everyone falls into. Mistake 1. Waiting to learn until you have more money. The time to learn is before you have more money, because if you can't manage $100, you're not magically going to manage $10,000. Start with what you have. Mistake 2. Getting advice from broke people. Just because someone sounds confident about money doesn't mean they know what they're doing. Vet your sources. Follow people who teach long-term, boring, effective habits. If they're trying to sell you a $1,000 crypto course, run. Mistake 3. Thinking one mistake equals failure. You'll overspend, you'll forget to track, you'll make impulse buys. That's normal. Don't quit, just reset. Financial literacy is a skill. It gets better with practice. Part 6. Your Financial Literacy Starter Checklist. Let's get tactical. Here's your beginner checklist to build real financial skills. Track all your spending for 1 week. Build your first simple budget. Open high-yield savings account. Pay off or pay down one credit card. Read I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Open a Roth IRA if you're in the US. Watch 3 finance YouTube videos this week. Set up a weekly money check-in. Share what you learn with someone else. Part 7. You don't need to be an expert. Here's the truth. You don't need to become a money genius. You just need to care enough to take control. It's okay to start slow. It's okay to feel confused. Just don't stay there. Learn a little, apply it, then learn a little more. Because when you understand money, you change everything. Your confidence, your future, your peace of mind. So take the pressure off. Take it one step at a time. And just start. You've got this. Like this? Hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and drop a comment. What's one thing you wish you learned about money sooner? Let's help each other get smarter, stronger, and wealthier together. Because real freedom isn't about having it all. It's about knowing what to do with what you've got.